Hey YouTube, how you doing? This is Joe over at Alan Ed's Autosound in Marina del Rey. Just want to show you a Reviver Auto or a Rplate installed on a Fiat 500. This is an EV model. So as you can see, the plate is about less than an inch thick. It is mounted with some security screws to the vehicle and a security bracket and wired through the tailgate to constant power. What the Rplate allows you to do is change the letters and background of your license plate from white to black, black to white. It currently does automatic registration renewal. Down the line, you're going to be able to change images while it's parked. Currently, you could still change this little message down below. Eventually, it'll save you from having to put those carpool stickers on your EVs. It will pay parking meters automatically. It will do many things. It also offers some GPS tracking as a theft deterrent. But once again, this is Joe from Alan Ed's Autosound in Marina del Rey. Feel free to give me a call. We are currently doing free installation on the Rplates, so give us a call, 310-827-8121.